Good morning everyone, and thank you for being here today. My name is Azania Kamila from Faculty of Pharmacy of Erlangga University, and today I'm excited to share with you an increasingly important topic in the pharmaceutical world, the Internet of Things, or IoT. But here I am not alone, I'll be accompanied by my friend, so let them introduce themselves first.
Hello everyone, my name is Aurelia Clarissa.
My name is Putri Kanari Karangasaswari.
My name is Naisa Disakirania.
About IoT. IoT, or Internet of Things, refers to a network of interconnected physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that enable them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. This device can range from wearable, fitness tracker, and smart thermometer to more complex systems, like remote patient monitoring equipment. Relevant of IoT in healthcare and pharmacy. Remote patient monitoring or RPM. IoT device like wearable ECG monitor, glucose sensor, or blood pressure cuff allow healthcare provider to continuously monitor patient vital signs remotely, which is especially useful for chronic disease management. Medication adherence. Smart pill box and medication dispenser can remind patients to take their medicine on time and notify healthcare provider or family member if a dose is missed. Inventory and supply chain management in pharmacy. IoT-enabled system can track the storage condition, like temperature and humidity, of drugs, especially for sensitive medications such as vaccine, ensuring they remain within safe limit during storage and transport. Asset tracking and management. Hospital and pharmacies use IoT to locate and manage medical equipment, reducing time spent searching for tools and ensuring timely maintenance. Personalized treatment. IoT data collected from wearable devices can help healthcare professionals tailor treatment plans based on individual lifestyle pattern, physical activity, and real-time health data. Historical background. The concept of the Internet of Things, or IoT, dates back to the late 1990s, but its adoption in healthcare and pharmacy began gaining traction in the 2010. As sensors became cheaper and connectivity more reliable, pharmacies started exploring IoT for improving medication safety, inventory management, and patient outcome. Early use case in pharmacy. Temperature monitoring. Pharmacies begin using IoT sensor to monitor and log the temperature of refrigerator, storing vaccine and biologics, ensuring they remain within safe range. RFID tagging. Radio frequency identification tags were introduced to track drug shipment and prevent counterfeiting. Current application in the pharmacy sector. Smart inventory management. IoT system now automatically monitor stock level and expiration date, helping reduce waste and avoid stock out. Cold chain monitoring. For temperature-sensitive medication, IoT sensor provide real-time tracking during storage and transport, ensuring regulatory compliance and patient safety. Medication adherence tool. Smart pill dispenser and connected apps remind patients to take medication and can notify pharmacists or healthcare provider of missed doses. Telepharmacy support. IoT-enabled device support remote consultation and real-time data sharing between patient and pharmacists, enhancing access to care, especially in rural areas. Predictive maintenance. Pharmacy using automated dispensing system rely on IoT for predictive maintenance to prevent downtime and ensure accurate dispensing. Conclusion. IoT technologies have transformed pharmacy operation from manual and reactive to digital, proactive, and patient-centered. As these tools become more advanced and integrate with AI, their role in improving medication safety, efficiency, and personalized care will only grow.
Study 1 about remote patient monitoring for chronic illness or hypertension management. Project Philip Remote Patient Monitoring Program, location EOS, technology use, connected blood pressure monitors, cloud-based data platforms. Overview. Philip launched a remote patient monitoring program that allowed patients with hypertension and heart failure to measure their vitals at home using IoT-enabled devices. Their devices transmitted data in real time to healthcare providers via a secure platforms. The result is, first, 138% reduction in hospital readmission. Second, improved medication adjustment based on continuous blood pressure stats. And third, patient reported increased satisfaction and confidence in managing their condition. Pharmacy relevance. Pharmacists collaborated with physicians to adjust medication based on the monitor vitals, enable more responsive and personalized pharmaceutical care. Case study 2 about Project British Digital Health Stable Sensor System, location in US, UK, Japan, especially pilot programs, technology use, stable sensor, wearable patch, and mobile app. Overview. British Digital Health developed a smart pill that includes a tiny stable sensor. When swallowed with medication, the sensor activates in the stomach and sends a signal to a wearable patch, which transmit data to a mobile app used by patient, caregivers, and pharmacists. Use case used in treatment of schizophrenia, diabetes, and hypertension, where non-adherence is common and dangerous. Result: first, improve adherence by 80% in pilot studies. Second, enhance collaboration between pharmacists and patient through real-time adherence tracking. Third, pharmacists were able to interview early when diseases were missed. Pharmacy relevance enable pharmacists to monitor real-time adherence data, allowing for timely counseling and medication management intervention. Breakdown of how the two IoT technologies work and outcomes of SARS from their use in pharmacy-related care. First, remote patient monitoring (RPM) enables patients with chronic illness to use smart medical devices like blood pressure monitors or glucometers that transmit real-time health data to cool platforms. Pharmacists and healthcare providers can monitor this data, respond quickly to abnormalities, and adjust treatment plans as needed. This leads to improved disease control, reduced hospital readmission, greater patient engagement, and more active role for pharmacists in therapeutic monitoring. And second, wearable biosensor for medication. Adherence offer an innovative way to track whether patients are taking their medication. A sensor embedded in the pill sends a signal once ingested, which is detected by a wearable patch and relayed to a mobile app, accessibility to healthcare professional and caregiver. This technology has shown improved adherence rates, especially in patients with mental health conditions like schizophrenia and allows for timely pharmacist intervention when these are missed. It enhances treatment outcomes and promotes patient accountability and medication management. Conclusion: the technology uses real-time data collection and transmission to close the gap between prescription and patient behavior. They have demonstrated measurable clinical benefits, optimized pharmacists' role in the therapy management, and advanced personalized care delivery in pharmacy settings. Okay, for the next we talk about IoT brings efficiency, personalization, and safety to pharmacy and healthcare. It empowers both professionals and patients by making health data more accessible and actionable. First one is real-time data collection and monitoring. Devices continuously collect and transmit data, allowing immediate insight. Enables faster medical decisions, especially in critical care or chronic illness monitoring. The second is improve efficiency and automation. Automates routine tasks like inventory checks, precision refills, and equipment maintenance. And then save time to pharmacists, clinicians, and support staff. The third is enhance patients' engagement and adherence. IoT tools like smart pills bottles or reminders help patients stick to their medication schedules, encourage active participation in health management. Next is a predictive analytic and preventive care. Continuous data can be analyzed to predict health trends or risks before they become serious. For example, changes in heart rate or blood sugar can signal early warning signs. And the next, cost reduction. Early interventions reduce hospital admissions and ER visits. More efficient supply chain management prevent drug waste and overstocking. And next, remote access and telepharmacy support enables remote consultations and care delivery, especially valuable in rural or underserved areas. And then pharmacists can provide advice and monitor adherence without requiring patients to visit in person. Next is a better medication management. Ensures proper storage condition, for example, temperature-sensitive drugs like insulin and vaccines. Reduce the risk of expired or damaged medication reaching patients. And then the last is improve accuracy and safety. Minimize human error in dispensing, tracking, and monitoring. Real-time alerts can help catch those errors, missed doses, or abnormal health trends. Okay, for the next is IoT enhanced pharmacy practice. It requires strong safeguards, thoughtful implementation, and user training to avoid issues related to privacy, cost, and usability. While IoT offers many benefits to pharmacy practice, it also brings several challenges that require careful attention. Key concerns include privacy and data security risks, as sensitive health data is transmitted online and vulnerable to breaks if not properly protected. The high initial cost of devices and platforms can be a barrier, especially for smaller pharmacies. Technical issues like unstable internet connections, system incompatibilities, and limited device interoperabilities may disturb care and data flow. Additionally, continuous monitoring can lead to data overload, making it harder for pharmacists to identify critical information. User-related challenges also arise. Some patients, particularly the elderly, may find it difficult to use IoT devices or mobile apps, and pharmacists need proper training to interpret data. Ethical concerns are also present, as constant monitoring may feel inefficient and raise questions about consent and autonomy, especially in sensitive patient populations. Addressing these issues requires strong safeguards, clear policies, and user educations, and to ensure IoT is implemented effectively and responsibly. The next is ethical and legal considerations in IoT healthcare. The first one is patient privacy and data protection. It means patient must know what the data is collected, how it used, and who can access it. Must comply with laws. For example, HIPAA and GDPR, and use secure encryptions or storage. Informed consents, and then patients should give clear informed consents, especially in vulnerable groups, and consent should explain escape, duration, and risk monitoring. And the third is data ownership and control. Patients should ideally control their health data and have access or edit rights. For the next is algorithm transparency and accountability. Here, AI-driven insight must be transparent and accurate to avoid harm. Providers are legally responsible for decisions based on faulty data. The next, device reliability and safety. Device must be accurate, tested, and comply with medical regulation, for the example FDA. And then the next, equality and accessibility. IoT solutions should be inclusive and not favor only tech-savvy or wealthy patients. And then for the last, professional responsibility. Healthcare professionals must be trained to interpret IoT data correctly and ethically.
Next, summary of key points, definition and relevance. IoT or Internet of Things connects devices to share data in real time. In pharmacy, it's transforming patient monitoring, medication adherence, and inventory management. Case studies, remote patient monitoring or RPM helps manage chronic conditions like hypertension by sharing vital signs with pharmacists and clinicians. Wearable biosensors, example Proteus digital pills, which track medication intake and improve adherence, especially in diphtheria care. How these technologies work? Real-time data is collected through sensor and wearables. Information is analyzed by healthcare providers and pharmacists to make proactive decisions. Advantage boost efficiency, safety, personalized care, and patient engagement. Reduce costs through early intervention and better stock management. Drawbacks challenges include data security, high setup costs, interoperability issue, and user resistance. Ethical and legal consideration. Key concerns include data privacy, informed consent, ownership, accessibility, and device reliability. Recommendation for the future of IoT in pharmacy. First, strengthen data security frameworks. Ensure all IoT systems comply with global and local health privacy laws through encryption and regular audits. 2. Promote interoperability standards. Encourage manufacturers to adopt open standards for device integration with pharmacy and hospital systems. Third, enhance training and digital literacy. Provide workshops for pharmacists and staff to confidently use IoT tools and interpret health data. Fourth, invest in inclusive design. Develop user-friendly device for patients of all age and backgrounds, reducing digital inequality. Fifth, foster collaboration. Strengthen collaboration between pharmacists, physicians, IT professionals, and policy makers to build ethical, patient-centered system. Thank you.